and welcome back to another vlog. So today, as you can see, we are at the mall of Dharan in Dammam, and today is actually the last day or the third day of Dammam, and we're at this huge mall. The mall of Dharan is really huge, it's massive. So let me give you a walkthrough of this completely, and then the stores that I would like, and then we'll go inside and see, and then talk about them more in details. Okay, so till then, let's go give you a tour, and let's go. So guys, after walking for some distance, we found Rolex. So I'm planning to go inside, but I don't think I would be able to afford it. Like, you know, it's too expensive. But look at the watches. Look at the watch. It's really nice. And also these are actually showpieces. And oh my god, that reflection though. Look at this. Look at this. If you change the light, that's all. Look at the reflection. Oh wow, that's really nice. And okay, let's keep walking. Let's see what we find. Okay, so guys, right now I just came across this shop. This is Dr. Nutrition, and it sells proteins for bodybuilding. And actually, it's a really interesting place out here. Like, there's so many kind of stores. Like, you got your food shops, you got your clothes, you got your all kind of stuffs here. And actually, there are a lot of people out here, like a lot. Like, you weigh a lot of them. And also, you got clothes shops, babies, and you got women's, you got men's, everyone's clothes out here. And this place is very compact, like with people. It's really suffocating at the same time due to this mask, first of all. And second of all, so many people, it scares you, like really scares you. Then we also got Center Point in front of us. We got Center Point right here. Okay, so this is the Center Point, and yeah, let's keep walking.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail, and I'm losing your mind, and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
a fun fact is that we have been going into circles in this mall, but we cannot find the exit, which is really frustrating. And after half an hour, almost half an hour, now we found the exit and now going back from where we started. So we gone to the place twice, and that was really frustrating to see. And right now we're going back to from where we started. That's gate number 9. So we're going to gate number 9. Guys, right now we're leaving the mall and we're gonna have some food, and then we'll be going for fishing. So let's go. So guys, right now we have came to Pizza Hut, and we're gonna get some pizza, and that is what we're gonna eat today. So we're right here at Pizza Hut, and my parents and uncles are deciding and getting the best they can get, the offers and all kind of, you know, the uncle stuff and the, you know, what your parents does. And yeah, so they're ordering, and while ordering I found this really nice thing. Look at this. This thing is like Pizza Hut in neighborhoods worldwide. It's in Brazil, it's in Istanbul, I guess, Syria, Saudi Arabia, many, like they're showing us in how many countries Pizza Hut is, and that is it. So let's wait for the order, and then when it comes I will show you guys the orders and what we got. Yeah, so still waiting. Guys, right now just came out of Pizza Hut, and this area is actually restaurants area only. Like there is this thing, it's Chili's, it's also a restaurant, and Pizza Hut, that's also a restaurant. Then we got Starbucks right over there. We got Starbucks, and many other restaurants. Like this place is just only for restaurants, and you get all this stuff here. And on the other side of the road there is Jarir bookstore also. There's Harfi. Let me wait. Yeah, that's Harfi. And then it's a really beautiful place, and we're waiting for our food actually. That's the main reason I'm outside and filming here. So let's keep waiting for our food. Yeah, that's what we need to do. Thank you guys for watching today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, sub to the channel would be really amazing, and also give this video a thumbs up. And with that, we'll be ending this vlog, and see you in the next vlog.